The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 features a large 6.3-inch Quad HD screen with Infinity Display for an immersive viewing experience. The sleek finish and design gives the phone a premium look. You can choose from 3 color options: Maple Gold, Midnight Black and Orchid Grey. This phone has a 6GB RAM for seamless operation and a 64GB internal memory which can be expanded up to 256GB using a microSD card. The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 has dual SIM slots. Both support 4G Volt capability. The phone's display has 521 ppi pixel density and has 18.5:9 aspect ratio. This, with a Quad HD resolution, which is twice as many pixels as a Full HD screen, makes this phone a great choice for entertainment and playing high-end games. The phone has a 12 megapixel dual rear camera with features such as dual optical image stabilization, autofocus, 2x optical zoom with a telephoto lens, and great low-light capabilities for visually sharp images. It also has an 8 megapixel front camera with image recording, touch focus, and face smile detection for some stunning selfies. The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 runs on Android OS and has an octa-core Exynos processor and Mali GPU, making it suitable for heavy gaming and multitasking. You can also use the S Pen to easily draw your own emojis or send handwritten messages for a personalized touch. Smart Switch helps you seamlessly move all your data from the old phone to the new one. This phone is powered by a 3300 mAh battery. The phone also supports wireless charging capability. The handset comes with a charger, S Pen, stereo handset, SIM ejector pin, S Pen accessories, and clear cover. The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is made available through EMIs, net banking, or payment through your debit or credit cards.